In front of me is REALME C63 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Notifications right away. Then select App Notifications at the top and tap on the most recent at the top left corner to pick one of those options. In my case, all apps. Now, after finding your app from which you want to block notifications, click on blue switcher right next to it. If you wish to switch notifications back on, click on gray switcher. You can also select any app available on the left and manage all notifications over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!